Hi there, thanks for coming back to my channel. The title for today's video is how to make video content for LinkedIn. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Today's video, how to make video content for LinkedIn. I get asked this question on a regular basis. Say, Mike, we know you can make video content. You've got your cameras, you've got your setup, and you've made hundreds of videos. We know that, but we want to make video content for LinkedIn. Can you help us? Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about a website, a platform, enable you to make video content for LinkedIn quite quickly and significantly. For people who are a bit more shy than I am, who don't want to show their face on camera, this platform allows you to use footage or make relevant videos for LinkedIn without you having to feature in that footage. So it's very, very important and be very useful for lots of you out there. When you click on the first link in the description, it'll take you to this website. This is wibbits.com, and you can see in the top right, try for free. And if you don't already have an account or a free trial ongoing, then you'll need to click on try for free. You can see here the headline, the quickest and easiest online video editor for content teams. And I'm using this tool and demonstrating this tool for you with a view to creating video content for LinkedIn. So let's click on try for free. Click on try for free. It's now populating. You'll see in the top right there'll be an M just indicating M for Mike. That's me. I have an account, a free trial in operation, so you'll get whatever's relevant for your name, of course. 2 videos that I've already made. I'm going to show you those videos soon, but I just want to demonstrate where the easiest place to start with is if you're trying to create new content. So click on see all templates. Click on see all templates. That's just populating now. And if you're B2B focused, then obviously marketing and business are going to be the easiest, quickest ways to create relevant, or it could be social media, the quickest ways to create relevant content. And what you can do is use the templates that the Wibbit Studio team have created and just adapt them to your brand, your products and your services. So let's click on marketing and I'll show you those templates. Here are some templates, and 16:9 is the favored aspect ratio for LinkedIn. So you would pick one that's consistent with that. And you can see there's quite a variety, and I'll show you a couple of the short films that I've made, or short videos, not films, short videos I've made using this tool. So there's the variety, and that's all. So some of those may be fitness based, you can see here. Some of them may be around like e-commerce would be a good basis for those videos. Let's scroll back up. There's quite a nice variety there. Let's go back up to the top, and let's look quickly at business. So business now, so if you're in a company that's very strong on innovation, you might want to use this and adapt it. So you just click on use template. I'm not going to do that with this one because I'm going to show you a couple that I've made earlier. And then if you had an announcement to make for your company, a new person was coming to be either the CEO or board director, you can change the text. You can actually change the scenes as well, but you'd use that template, start there. So these are good starting points for any of your commercial messages. If you're looking to recruit, maybe you could use that and change the text. And here, if you're hiring, so there's quite a lot of variety. That means that you can avoid long sort of content planning sessions or long recording sessions because it's all here for you. You can take one of the templates and get started, and you're half the way there. How to promote visual content that resonates. So if you're an expert in marketing and you want to communicate your webinar and so on, maybe you use a template like that. So there's quite a lot of variety, and those are just the relevant templates, marketing and business. Let me just look at social media as well. I'll look at the social media template so you have a good idea of what's there. So here, these are templates that are available for everybody to use once they've created an account and started their pricing plans and so on. I'm just demonstrating this via the free trial, and that's open to everybody. So here's some of the social media templates. To my teammates, the pain you feel today, it's time for your comeback. So inspirational. So there's quite a few different video templates, and the beauty of all of this, of course, is that you don't have to create video yourself personally. You don't need cameras and so on, and you don't need to appear in the video. I know a lot of people, as I mentioned in the introduction, a lot of people are quite reluctant to appear on camera for their business. and they're quite shy, so they don't want to do that. So a tool like Wibbit Studio is absolutely wonderful for those sort of people who are a bit shy to use to film themselves. Okay, so let's come out of social media. Let's go to what I've done and look at my videos. So I think that will be in, if I go to home, go back to home, and then I'm going to scroll down and look at the films that I've made. I've made a couple of little videos here. So here's the first one, and it's just along the theme of working from home will grow your business in 2021, flexible hiring. So this is a theme that's very strong in the business community, because obviously during the course of the global pandemic, a lot of people were working more from home, and now there's hybrid working and so on. So I just took a few scenes and added them together to make a 17-second video. So I'll show you that video now. The tool automatically added in some transitions. So there's some backing music that you probably can't hear now, but working from home will grow your business. Then people will rush to work for you because you're offering flexible working. The old way is no more, that's commuting, people rushing to the train station. And then when you're on one of the pricing plans, and I'll talk about the pricing plans in a few moments, you're able to add your logo here, and depending on which pricing plan you're on, you may be able to remove this branding from Wibbits. So that's one of my films. Let's go back and show you the other video that I've made. So the other video, let's go back home and scroll down, and then here's one that I made earlier today, and this is called Super Powered, and I used a template that's in the marketing section. So this template's in the marketing section, and it's Super Powered Marketing. And so the text I've added, because everybody can amend the text, grow your business with LinkedIn marketing, learn more at, and then obviously yourwebsite.com. So just showing how you could tailor that to your business. So let's play this, and I don't think you'll get the sound coming through because obviously on top of it. So grow your business, that's the first scene, few seconds, and then transition into with LinkedIn marketing, keeping a focus that's relevant for me and my business, and then learn more at yourwebsite.com. And I would obviously, if I was going to use that, I would make that marketingfundamentals.com. And once I've signed up to the pricing tiers, then I can put my logo in there and remove the Wibbits branding. So those are two very quick videos I made using templates and scenes that are readily available. So you don't have to use templates, but templates are very useful to create your videos. It's really quick, and you can make 3, 4, 5 videos in a couple of hours. You could easily make you can make probably 10 videos in a couple of hours, and if you were to compare that with how long that would take to record, that could be a whole day to record, set up the cameras, make this lighting right and the sound and everything else. So this is a really good shortcut for your video creation process. And as I said, those people that don't want to appear on camera, use these generic images, these stock images, and then amend the text so it's relevant for your company. Amend the images. You might want to delete scenes, you might want to add scenes, you might want to change the text to match the text that your corporate, let's just click out of that before that starts playing. You might want to change the text to match your corporate typefaces and so on. And you can do all of that using this Wibbit Studio. And you might say, oh, that's great, Mike, but I can see in the top right, it says upgrade now. What's that all about? How much is that going to cost? So let's have a look at that now. So you've got an understanding of how the tool works and the different templates and how you can change things. So if you were to upgrade, so here are the pricing plans. I'm based in the UK. It's flashing up euros, prices in euros. So the starter plan is 19 euros per month, and that gives you unlimited videos for one user, stock photos only, and you do have to retain the Wibbits watermark. If you go to the next plan, the creator plan, perhaps the more popular one, and it's going to be more accessible for people with smaller teams, unlimited videos, one user, photos and video. So those video scenes that I've made in the two little videos that I made and demonstrated during this video, you can access both of those. And the Wibbits branding at the end, that's removed when you pay 39 euros a month. And these are annual prices. I should, in full transparency, just toggle it onto monthly. So if you only commit to 1 month rather than annual, the prices do go up, and that's similar with any software package. If you buy for the year, it's going to be cheaper. So it was 19 euros for the starter plan if you were to commit to a year in advance. If you commit only to a month, it goes up to 25 euros. And the creator plan has gone up to 99 a month instead of what it was at 39 a month. So you can see there's a lot of advantage for signing up for a year rather than just signing up for a month. And then the business is 119 euros, and then enterprise level is 489 euros a month starting at, and that's unlimited videos and users, multiple brand accounts, Getty and video library, full brand customization, and business, just to give out the points there, 3 users, editorial, stock and media library, 1 custom font and watermark for your own business, and that's 119 euros a month. So that's how much it costs. Perhaps this plan is the most accessible and useful for the smaller businesses, 39 euros a month. But if you're a sole proprietor, solo person, one person business, then perhaps you would start with the starter package as per this overview of all the plans available. So I hope this has been useful to you. Wibbit Studio and Wibbits.com is very, very useful in shortening the workflow from video ideation, thinking about videos, and then creation, and then being able to distribute those videos on LinkedIn. For those people reporting news items, journalists and so on, this would be a great place to go, clicking on top stories when they've logged in to the Wibbit Studio. Thanks for watching all the way through. I hope you'll agree that using the Wibbits platform and the templates that I demonstrated during the screencast show, that it's very simple for you to create video and then upload to LinkedIn, generate engagement that will lead to sales, leads and prospects, and that's what we're all here for, sales. And then you can help to grow your business without spending long time sort of planning video content and then recording and editing and so on. Use this platform and it's going to shorten your workflow by a considerable amount. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video, and I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.